You have received the link to the registration page, and now you want to build your personalized agenda. First, agree to the SpotMe privacy policy and confirm your attendance at the event. After completing your profile and consenting to the photo and video waiver, you will see instructions on how to build your agenda. The registration page is organized day by day. You will start by choosing your morning and afternoon streams. First, select your chosen morning session on Monday. To read more on a session, you can click on View Details to get information on content and who the faculty is. Now, do the same for your chosen afternoon session. This will automatically select the corresponding sessions on Tuesday. You have now created your morning and afternoon streams for your first 2 days. Now, select your Insight session for Tuesday. Next, select your Insight session for Wednesday. Then select your morning and afternoon streams for Wednesday and Thursday. It is compulsory to select at least one morning and afternoon stream. This will automatically select the corresponding sessions on Thursday. Now, choose your Insight session for Thursday. And finally, on Friday, you need to choose one special topic. You have now selected all your streams and sessions. Once completed, you will receive an email confirmation with the link to download the IMD Events app. Please download the app to help you navigate OWP 2025. If you have any questions, please contact the team. You can view your full agenda and make changes. Click on Agenda. Here, you can see the selections you made on your registration page. If you want to make any changes, you can unregister for a session and go back into your agenda to register for another. Keynote speakers, optional well-being sessions, and social events will automatically be added to your agenda. Here, you can complete your IMD profile, earn points by completing actions. We look forward to welcoming you soon in Singapore.